Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate bakeware set, I've got the answer for you. So this amazing bakeware set comes from Fanfastic 78 Direct. It has 10 pieces that come with it. And some of the things that I love about this is, first off, they are completely non-stick. I have put them through a lot and nothing has given me any trouble. It all comes off with ease in the dishwasher or with a rubber spatula. You can see here I used one of them to make some Chex Mix. Everything turned out great. Everything cooked evenly. I had it in there for quite a while because I made such a big batch and nothing went wrong. It was absolutely a pleasure to bake with this. I also wanted to quickly highlight how cute they are. I love the spots on them and the design on them. I also love that they're lightweight. But that doesn't mean that they're cheap. They work fantastic. They're very durable. But I love that they're lightweight and it's not going to hurt my wrists trying to bake with them. Here's another example of how easy they are to get anything off. We didn't grease this pan. My daughter made these cookies and she just threw them on the pan and they were so easy to get off. So whether you're baking cookies, a meatloaf, pizza, or bread, these pans are going to be exactly what you need. So overall, this bakeware set has far exceeded my expectations. It's everything I needed and more. It's wonderful. I love it and I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.